Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jonas Tech Blog. Today's video is about the wireless earphones which I've been using since more than a year, the RHA MA390 wireless earbuds. So let's get started. Even with the advent of rise of true wireless earbuds, wired wireless earbuds are still preferred by many, at least RHA hopes they are. The RHA MA390 wireless earbuds provide you with premium features like IPX4 water resistance as well as aptX and AAC Bluetooth codec support. But the best feature that these aluminum earbuds have to offer is, of course, the price. Sure, the earbuds may look better than they sound, but for less than 6,000 you can't even have it all. In all fairness, what these wireless headphones deliver is well above the asking price. So what all I got it inside? The RHA includes a sports clip, 3 pairs, dual density silicone ear tips, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a mesh carrying pouch. The MA390 wireless earbuds. Unlike high-end models in the MA line, the RHA MA390 omit the inclusion of Compli memory foam ear tips. This is really shame since memory foam ear tips create a better seal and often improved sound quality. Now let's talk about the build of the RHA MA390 wireless earbuds. Like all others in the RHA MA line, the MA390 wireless use the company's signature aerophonic design which mimics a trumpet construction. The design directly channels air from the driver to the ear while minimizing superfluous reverberations with the chamber. Listening the echo chamber effect benefits your music as it results in greater clarity and detail. Not to mention, it's a unique design that separates the Glasgow-based company's products from the competition. Lack of memory foam ear tips aside, RHA MA390 aluminum housings are durable. Dangling just below the earbuds are low-profile stress relievers, and on the right cable there's a built-in 3-button mic and remote. Like other RHA microphones, it's above average and effectively picks up your voice while discarding external ambience. If you happen to take a lot of calls while walking outside or driving, there's a better neckband style wireless option like the Plantronics Voyager and the Sennheiser SG1. Love it or hate it, the neckband style isn't going away, and RHA knows that. Though I'm not one for this design, I find it annoying for exercising. The rubberized material weathers sweat and water better than leather. A smart move on RHA's part. It's also lightweight and easy to forget over. Moreover, the pileable material allows you to squish them into a overflowing rucksack pocket that retains the shape when retrieved, making them extremely portable. So if you ask me, are the RHA MA390 good for workout? Despite the IPX rating, you are better off getting dedicated workout earbuds. The neckband isn't just too cumbersome. For instance, when returning upright from a bench press, the neckband slides all the way down the back, require you to retrieve it by railing cables. If you are running or doing any high-intensity workout, you find the neckband bounces around the energy of a child who had 9 too many pixie sticks. Now, let us talk about the battery life. As per my testing, the earbuds provide 6 to 6.5 hours of playback with a 75 decibel output. Yes, this is less than the company's 8-hour listing, but most of us don't and shouldn't listen to music that loudly, especially for a prolonged period of time. As far as charging is concerned, just plug the earbuds into the included USB Type-C cable or your regular Type-C cable of your mobile phone and you're set. Although the playback time seems to have fallen a bit short of the 8-hour listing, these boost a 30-day standby time, which is pretty darn impressive. And if you want to get an estimate of the battery level, just check with the notification bar of your device. Connectivity is also easy. You can connect it to either your Android smartphones or an Apple iPhone. How does the RHA MA390 wireless sound? I mean, they are great for the price. The aptX codec support and aerophonic design works wonders. Instrumental separation, on the other hand, isn't great or good for that matter. But if you enjoy vocal-oriented music, then you adore this. Upon my usage, it's low and it's not nearly as prominent as other similarly priced consumer earphones. Though this may be disappointing for some, it's a godsend for others who above very mid-range frequency are must. Though the sound signature is anything but neutral, it presents a new listening experience for many. A lack of bass and treble response may be due to the determinant of the earbuds, but the exaggerated mid-range allows you to relearn your music. Who knows, maybe you'll you'll hear something you have ever heard from the age-old hit you love. Again, to summarize, the battery life is disappointing, especially if you are just looking for things on paper. But real-world use should allow you for an increased playback time that's closer for the company's fostered 8 hours. And as a reminder, these are IPX4 rated, so if you spill some water in them, you can skip the mini heart attack. The reason I bought this RHA MA390 wireless earbuds is its durability, its quality, and the crisp sound. And the best part is it comes up with a 3 years warranty. I bought it from headphonezone.com and they provide 3 years warranty on it. That means you can easily exchange it whenever you want if there is any damage within these 3 years. Hope you guys like this video and find it informative. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates on gadget and tech. That's all for now guys. See you guys on my next video. Until then, goodbye.